Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, and it is October 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY, I still looking at this as an ABC correction and possibly the end of a correction right here. I think this first move down still could be a 1. I still think this move up could be a wave 2, which I do not think is proved to be over yet. And I still think eventually it is going to go down, make a 3, 4, and wave 5. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. So it's back to the US dollar index. On the US dollar index, you can see that there's really absolutely no proof at all that this thing is going down. To me, it does look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. I still think it looks like an A, a WXY of B. And this move up to me still looks like it could possibly be a wave C. And there's really no reason to know for sure that this is going to turn right here. It very easily could go up to the 78% before it actually does turn. But if it does make a break of starts on the sort of time frames, I will call that the end of a wave 2, and that potentially would be the beginning of a downtrend for the continuation of a wave 3. So let's head down to that daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we never broke structure to the downside. We would really never could say that this whole uptrend was over. It does kind of have that 3, 4, 5 shape to it, but I kind of thought that this had the 3, 4, 5 shape as well. A lot of the dollar pairs do look like they are in a wave 5 right now, so be careful because it might just go back up, retest these highs, go down, break structure to the downside, and if it does do that, then that is what I will call the end of an ABC correction. But on the other hand, if it doesn't break structure and it just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, then we need to just keep on trading with the trend. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I do have my Fibonacci retracement on here because I definitely was originally thinking this was an A and this was a B, or this was a 1 and this is a 2, and that it was going to go down again. So if this does do something like that and break structure to the downside, I actually would take that as a short, and potentially it would go down and break structure to the downside. But like I said, a lot of the dollar pairs do look like they're in a wave 5, so there is probably a better chance that this is going to continue up like that and make a wave 5. So unless I saw a good break of start to the downside, I would definitely continue to look for longs in an uptrend. So going down to the sort of time frames, this definitely looks like an independent trend right here. This is either a 1 or an A. This looks like a correction right here, either a B or a 2. Now, if this is actually a wave C, then this will turn down, it will break structure, and that to me would be a sorting opportunity. On the other hand, if this really is a wave 3, then yes, it may bounce off some fib levels, but it'll never break structure. They'll just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, and I'll just treat that as a wave 3, and I'll just keep on going long at the end of every single pullback that I see on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.